My name is Danielle Malloy, and welcome to Greenwich, Connecticut Luxury Real Estate Open House. I'm the exclusive listing agent for 106 Patterson Avenue.
This perfectly preserved Storybook home is nestled on an enchanting park-like property. Maintained for over 3 decades, just steps to downtown Greenwich, the Brunswick School, Greenwich Academy, and a short walk to the Greenwich Hospital. Enter the foyer greeted by romantic archways and restored original hardwood floors. Flow between formal and informal spaces adorned with inviting old-world charm. Living room with rustic stone fireplace adjacent to the sun-filled sitting room with vintage windows. Completely redesigned master suite with full bath and dressing room for private living space. The oversized stone terrace set high above the west-facing backyard inspires elegant sunset entertainment and tranquil evening dinners.
Thank you for watching. Please contact me anytime for a private viewing. And always remember, Greenwich is a great place to visit, but the best place to live. See you soon.